आप दोनों पे so finally share your decision. नहीं वो offline table वो तबियत को लेते हैं. अच्छा, okay. So it is happening once or twice when you are not well. So if I am not well, I will also take all. Then it will do. Okay, anyway, start with you. So okay. And two. Last time we had done till I think Rutherford model we have completed. Go line है ना ये this is go line. Balance वाला part. First you have done this table. How many of you have completed that table? You have completed. Girls, what about you? Completed. आप दोनों ने किया अनन्या and डॉक्टर. अनन्या भी करेंगे. जो भी रॉन्ग, दोनों भी रॉन्ग. चलो then. चलो. हाँ चलो बताओ मुझे. टेबल किया है कंप्लीट. Till which part you have completed? Till which column you have completed? बैलेंस तो मैंने बोला था वो मत करो, बाकी के सारे कर देना, वैलेंसी मत करना. Okay, let's start with valency. If not done, तो ज़्यादा better है. If you have done, please cover that particular column for some time, or you can make a new column by covering that column so that you can put the valencies properly. Come. Why you are late today? I'm okay. Practice. Practice. Chalo, you have completed that table valency. Full complete till the end, last column. Now, what do you mean by valency? What's the represent meaning of outer? Guys, valency, same answer or any different answer? Same. Valency. But the number of atoms in the outermost atoms. Sorry. Electron. In the outermost shell of the orbit. Okay. Now, how many shells we have seen last time? उधर मत देखो, please don't refer that. थोड़ा टाइम के लिए. मतलब टोटल कितने हो गए? 4. Okay. These shells we write generally in this way: K, L, M, and N. Right? K, L, M, and N. Now, after that, I have told you to identify the energies as which numbers were given. These are the shells with energy N is equal to. बराबर है. Start from 1 ना, 0 से तो start नहीं करने वाले. So it start from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if this is our nucleus, okay, I have just taken one section of all this orbital. Huh? If this is a nucleus, these are the section. From the nucleus, which is the valence shell, N is equal to 4. बराबर ना? So it is this one, the outermost shell. Outermost, it is nothing but valency or valence shell. Valency is what? It is a number of electrons present in that particular orbit. Okay. Now, this is our normal definition for valency. हम ऐसे ही define करते हैं. But if you go for that particular column, then you will find that somewhere, whatever definition we have given, it is a number of electrons present in the outermost shell. That definition, it is as it is applicable. But in some elements, you will find that It is a number of electron which is required to complete the state, to complete the octet state. दो चीजें मैंने बताई, एक तो आपने ही बताई मुझे जो आंसर करेक्ट है, we are learning from me. और if you observe that column properly, you will find it is a number of electrons required to complete that particular configuration of that shell. Okay. Now one by one examine all the column. ऊपर से नीचे तक, यहाँ पे मैं भी आपको हेल्प करती हूँ. We will just check the valency of the element. Starting with one hydrogen. Okay. One electron in the valence shell, one electron is present. बराबर. How many it required more? One. अभी मुझे बोलो, here we can do justice with our definition. जो हमने जो आप लोगों ने बताया, मैंने दो वे बताए. One is what? Number of electron present. Another is what? Required to complete the stability of that particular organ. Two things are there. Now this number, it is one. One electron is present. Again, one electron is required to complete the values, to complete the stability. Right now, then second one. Second helium. Helium बराबर से देखो, if you are giving definition number of electron present in the outermost shell, so helium contain how many electrons? Check the electronic configuration which you have written. Helium contain how many electrons? 2. And what is your valency? अब बताओ, हो गए दो definitions? हो गए ना? उसकी stability complete करने कितने electrons लगते हैं? 0, because it is already stable. It contains 2 electrons, so no need to add more electron. Understood now? So how our definition varies here. Then lithium. Last shell. Last वाला shell देखो. In case of lithium, last shell contain. हाँ, कितना? 1. Right? How many valence electrons are there? Then next, beryllium, 2 electrons are present, right? Then next one, boron, it contains 3 electrons in the valence shell. अभी यहाँ पे 3 more electrons are not required. अभी आप मुझे पूछोगे ऐसे कैसे बता रहे हो, कहाँ पे ऐसा बता रहे हो, कहाँ पे वैसा कर रहे हो? ये इसीलिए है because it is having valency 3. Okay. How many electrons are required? 4. That is not given here. 5 नहीं given है because we have compounds of boron containing valency only. ये डाटा जो है it is from, और ये आपको रेक्टिफाई करना है, पूरा रट्टा मार के ही जाना है. Few elements you will use in your daily work, few you have to do rectification and learn this table properly. Carbon. 4. And how many required? How many more required? Either to octet or to plate. How many more required? बराबर 4 more required. Then next one, nitrogen. 3. Okay, how many required? 5 required. हाँ, कहाँ पे? Outermost shell में 5 electrons. Oh, sorry ना. Outermost shell contains 5 electrons. It required 3 more. But circle that nitrogen. Circle करो. जहाँ पे nitrogen का पूरा column है ना, row है ना, उसको circle करो. Nitrogen form trivalent as well as pentavalent compound. Trivalent भी है और pentavalent भी है. You will find many examples. Then oxygen. Last shell, valence shell, 6 electron. How many more required? 2. बराबर है? Then fluorine, how many present? How many present electrons? कितने? 7 है. How many more required? Only 1. Right now, only 1 is required. But who is good with all this? थोड़ा 2 मिनट आपके periodic table थोड़ा open कर. Come with your book ना. Come with your book. इधर बैठ. बुक लेकर आ. वो भी लेकर आओ वॉल्यूम तुम्हारा. Then next one, neon, periodic table. Neon, 8 are present. Any electron is required? No, 0. Then next one, sodium, 1 is present. 1 electron is present. Right now, 1 electron is present. अभी ये जो यहाँ पे जो दिया है ये 1. Really it require 1 more electron? It will lose 1 electron. यहाँ पे गड़बड़ ये है कि यहाँ पे साइन मेंशन नहीं है, पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव. I will explain that concept. Okay. Then magnesium 2, last column 2. Okay, definitely it will lose this 2 electron. Then aluminium 3, last column 3. Then silicon 4, last column 4. Phosphorus 5, last column 3. Now see again the sequence is changed here. 5 and 3. Sulfur 6, last column 2. Then chlorine 7, last column 1. Argon 8, last column 0. Then potassium 7, last column. Sequences change again. Then next calcium 2 and last column 2. Okay. Look at this periodic table. Last time भी हमने देखा था. So the element helium, neon and argon. These elements you have done with valence electron 0. Check करो. Valence electron 0. Helium, neon and argon. मिला 2, 8, 2, 10 and 18. Now this group, this particular, it is known as 18 group. This element which are present in this group, they are known as 18 group element, noble gases or inert element. What may be the reason? Inert element or noble gases.
Because they have force. And because they have solution.
They have, which shell is filled? Valence shell. Because the last shell, valence shell, it is completely filled with required number of electrons. It may be 2, it may be 8, it may be 18. As per the atomic number, you will write the electronic distribution. You know the formula. What is formula to calculate electrons? 2n square. So normally this using question is asked. Let me give you any element. For example, argon. Argon, it is chemically inert. Explain. Give reason. Why it is chemically inert? What is the reason? First start with atomic number. Argon 10, 18. कितना है? 18. Okay. So atomic number is 18. What will be electronic configuration? हाँ, इतना क्यों सोचना पड़ता है? 2, 8 and 2, 8 and 8 बराबर हो गया 18. Okay. Now your reason. Now your reason.
The valence shell
is completely filled with the required number of electrons. So it will not undergo either covalent bond, ionic bond, कोई bond form करने वाला नहीं है. Then next moving to the halogen 17 group FCl 9 and 17. Check electronic configuration. 2, 7. Then chlorine 2, 8, 7. Both contain 7, 7. How many more electrons are required? Only 1 electron. Only 1 electron. They are in the need of 1 electron. Now in periodic table, this particular part, this part, this part, it is metal. This part, it is not metal, whereas this zigzag pattern, it is for metal. Metals, they are electropositive. They are giving electrons. Okay. And non-metals, they are electronegative. They takes electron. इसको कितना chlorine और fluorine को how many electrons are required? Only 1, and it can be easily accepted. बराबर है ना, कोई भी दे देगा 1 electron. But to gain 7 electron, it is not at all easy. Okay. So here fluorine, chlorine, bromine, this complete family, they are very reactive element. Why? Why? They are in the need of only one electron. So the question देंगे, why fluorine it is reactive? Why fluorine is reactive? Start with atomic number. Why fluorine is reactive?
Number is 927.
927. Fluorine atomic number is 9. Electronic configuration is 2 and 7. So valence shell contain how many electrons? 7. And they are in the need of 1. Right now, understood now? So this complete, this is halogen family, which is a reactive family. Then next one, और कौन सा हमने change देखा था? Sudden change में ये दो ही मैंने आपको बताया थे ना, 0 वाला, हाँ, one more, sodium. Sodium. हमने electronegative, we have seen this part. Non-metals. Let us see about metals also. बराबर है ना? So for metal, if we start with sodium, Na, atomic number is chart बनाना 11 element, 20 elements का. Atomic number is 11. Here Z is equal to 11. Then electronic configuration 2, 8 and 1. Right? यहाँ पे देखो, पहले देख लो. Electronic configuration is 2, 8, 1. Now last shell contain how many electrons? 1. Valence shell contain 2 electrons. Now you tell me whether to have 7 electrons. It is easy work. ना आपको कभी क्लास में कहीं भी देखा रहेगा, अगर बच्चा ना हाफ मार्क 1 मार्क्स के लिए फेल होता है ना, 1 मार्क्स के, तो टीचर के पास में रिक्वेस्ट करके बोलता है हाफ मार्क्स मैम, हाफ मार्क्स, बिकॉज दैट हाफ विल मेक फुल. बराबर, हाफ मार्क्स भी नहीं मिलता. देखा होगा कभी किसी क्लास में कोई ऐसे रहता है, हाफ मार्क्स भी नहीं टीचर्स देते, क्योंकि उसमें कुछ रहता ही नहीं है. इसको कितना चाहिए? 7. It is possible? No. So instead of having 7 electron, this can easily give 1 electron. Done. So after giving 1 electron, sodium, it is converted into Na positive. And your new electronic configuration will be 2, 8. 2, 8. From neutral atom, it is converted into electropositive. And only metal can do this. समझ में आया? सो मैंने आपको जैसे टेबल पे बताया था, this side it is metal, right hand side non-metal. This zigzag pattern is for metal, showing the properties of both metal as well as metal. Then for metal, which is a special property, they are after giving electron, they are becoming electropositive. Whereas non-metal may, if you start with Cl, atomic number 17, electronic configuration 287. How many electrons? Again, they are required. Only 1 electron. So if Cl gains 1 electron plus E negative, then it will be Cl negative with 2, 8 and 8. बराबर है? हाँ? 2, 2, 8, 8, 7 का 8. So this is electronegative. Understood? Any doubt in this thing? 0, halogens, metals, non-metals. Okay, then next one. So there is no doubt in this particular thing. We will go to the next part, atomic number and mass number. Write down heading. बेटा आपको समझ में आया? Sure? No problem? Heading down the atomic number and mass number. Mass number. आपको इन दोनों में से किसी का डेफिनेशन पता है? Just now we have discussed atomic numbers for electronic configuration. बोलते समय, और even if the table which you have made, देखो उसमें कॉलम है atomic number. मिला? The table which you have made, in that one column is there for atomic number. मिला या नहीं? So what do you mean by atomic number? थोड़ा थोड़ा दिमाग को जोर डालो. This atomic number we have used to write down.
What the number of atoms? So the number.
अरे no बेटा, ये देखो. See one thing, हाँ. Chemistry, which I don't know about bio and physics. Chemistry is very easy subject, but where student get confused, atom, molecule, element, compound, electron, proton. मुझे पता है तुम्हें आंसर क्या देना है, पर थोड़ा सा जो बोल रहे हो ना, थोड़ा उसको ध्यान दो. जैसे इसने बोला था, number of atoms present in the last shape. It is not a number of atoms. उसको भी पता है, मुझे भी पता है. It's a number of electrons. तो हमारा जो concept है वो proper आना चाहिए. Okay. So atomic number is what?
Number of atoms.
Very good. It is a number of electron. आपको क्या बोलना था? Electron. Right? It is a number of electron. Now see here, before you proceed for the next part, see here. Atomic number, short में मैंने लिखा है. It is number of electron. Number of electron. Where these electrons are present? Where these electrons are present? In the orbit or shell. And this number, it is equal to number of protons. And where these protons are present? In the nucleus of an atom. Abhi, if you see carefully, number of electron, it is equal to number of proton. For example, if you have 5 electron with negative sign I have written, and proton, it is again 5, positive 5. Then at the end, this will get cancelled. Charges get neutralized. Okay, and our atom, it is neutral atom. Whichever example, 20 elements you have written. Right now in valency, you all have written 20 elements. So whether any charge was there on the atom? Atom पे कोई charge था? Charge भी I put after transfer of electron. बराबर है ना? So number of proton, remember, atomic number, it is nothing but the number of electron. This number, it is equal to number of proton, and it is represented by Z. लिखते समय मैंने बहुत यहाँ पे Z लिखा था, अगर आपने नोटिस किया रहेगा तो it is represented by alphabet Z, capital Z. Now moving next to mass. Mass number. मास नंबर बुक में से पढ़ के मत बोलो, ऐसे ही बता दो. कुछ पता है तो बोलो, अदरवाइज नहीं. मास नंबर में व्हाट इज मीनिंग ऑफ मास? मास नंबर क्या हो गया? आज कुछ बोल क्यों नहीं रहा है? प्रैक्टिस बहुत करके आया. फुटबॉल प्रैक्टिस. मास नंबर नो बेटा. मास नंबर mass number, it is sum of proton and neutrons. Where protons are present? हाँ. Here, पहले मेरा आंसर. Where proton is present? Nucleus. Where neutrons are present? Nucleus. Mass number is what? Sum of masses of proton and neutron. बराबर है ना? And this both are present in the nucleus of an atom, and it is represented by capital letter A. Capital letter A. Okay. Now, for example, your teacher may give you in this way. X, it is general representation for this one. Atomic number and mass number. ये अपनी बुक में बना लो. आपको डेफिनेशन कितना है? कि यू हैव ऑलरेडी रिटन डेफिनेशन. इतना है ना? Make this presentation. This is what atom symbol of any element. X is a symbol of any element. A is what? Mass number and X is atomic number. Now write down definition. You will write or I have to dictate. Return. करो क्या लिखा है?
atomic number atomic number is equal to the atomic number is the number of electrons present in an atom. Okay. It is equal to the number of protons. It is represented by capital letter C.
Capital letter
Z.
Z.
Since electrons are equal to protons, atoms are neutral.
The number of electrons is equal to number of proton. Atom is neutral. जो बोला था उसे सब कुछ नहीं छोड़ा. Very good. Next one, mass number.
Atomic mass is equal to the sum of protons plus neutron. It is represented by capital letter
Okay. And where this proton and neutrons are present, nucleus, and together they are known as. आप लोग लिख रहे हो ना? करो लिखोगे ना? You need help? Equation नहीं चाहिए ना? Who please say? If you need help, let me know. हाँ? Proton and neutron together known as nucleons. That point. Proton center you have written. Both definition. Example solve करने हैं. Proton and neutron together known as nucleons. Then write down. Make this presentation. Okay. This presentation. Now example. You have to solve example. मैं यहाँ पे देती हूँ few examples. Make table and write down number of proton, neutron and electrons. Six, 12, 7, 10, 14, 8, 4, 16. Serially I am giving up 10, 70, CL, 35, eighteen, AR, 40. So make table for symbols of elements, then atomic number Z, then A and N. क्लियर है? नहीं है ना? Atomic number, mass number and number of neutrons. Okay. Once you complete this particular thing, na, page number 66. Page number 66. Question number 34. Hello? Hello? Complete this table, please. Complete हो गया? This is completed by everyone. You have completed. Now you are doing that volume wala table. Now don't open that folding. Answers are there. Please don't open that folding. In that table, whatever gaps are there, na, that have the number of proton, neutron, electron. Last wala column, if you don't know the name, let it. Go on. This way. नहीं आपके नोटबुक पे करने का वॉल्यूम में नहीं इन योर नोटबुक कंप्लीट दैट इन योर नोट इसको बंद करो क्लास में once you complete that part now first I complete with this one चलो यहाँ पे बताओ first element carbon then a z value of z 6 then second element z value 7 ये just compare this one x a and z then you will easily understand then next element oxygen then after that chlorine and last one is argon chalo then here z value everywhere I have written for oxygen 8 बराबर है ना a and z ABCD में from top to bottom a is mass number z is atomic number okay here 8 then next here Cl 17 then argon 18 then value of a this value you will directly copy from the top बराबर है ना कुछ नहीं करना है आपको so here for carbon 12 then nitrogen 14 oxygen 16 chlorine 35 then argon 40 okay now z के लिए any formula anything you have applied sorry for n हाँ तो क्या है np plus n it is equal to a right now so therefore n is equal to a minus p a minus p a minus p और इसको to remember it instead of writing p if you write a minus z then also it is correct तो जैसे आपको इजी लगेगा either a minus p or a minus z meaning will be one and the same चलो answer 6 7 then 8 18 20 now this much data you have few element you will find in that table also just what you have to write I think atomic number mass number which are missing है ना it is not that everything is missing कुछ miss हो गया है if you are not writing last column name वाला it will do no issue with that so after last time they approach the second process Last time we were present. Last time you were present ना उससे पहले हमारा एक ही क्लास हुआ आपके पास डेट्स है क्या आप डेट्स देखते हो क्लास के every time you are training to over same not able dates date लिखा करो please write down dates ना it will be easy for you and me also done जल्दी चलिए हम चलाओ be fast if you are not sure about any value write with pens otherwise all values are same question number 32 question number 24 है ना done my structure of atom that topic is completed okay your all topics are completed or not only senior नहीं I'm not asking third one structure of atom I said one more part is remaining it will take one period to exercise question I will complete that part total 4 topics are there na? This is fourth one third one when it is completed here in UP हुआ है या नहीं atoms and molecules मुझे पढ़ाना है atoms and molecules so how I will understand English part here is completed and both together how Jera is completed till the writing chemical formulas दोनों कैसे चेक करा दो simultaneously how to say so this is अच्छा table then we will see completed table done you can feel comfortable otherwise you will lose mark in science especially for physics and chemistry so let's start How many you have completed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 are there. One, two, 5. So ये कितने complete कर लिए? All 5. But how many you have completed? First 3. Let's see. First one, atomic number 9, it is given. Okay? This is a number of electron. And this number it is equal to proton. So number of proton will be 9. बराबर है? 9. Then mass number is what? Neutron plus proton. Neutrons are 10, protons are 9. So your mass number will be 90. Then next, number of electrons. Only number of electrons is asked. Huh? Yeah. कितने electrons है? 60. Number of electrons. Same first one. क्या हो गया? You are confused? Proton number, atomic number, number of electron, number of proton, Z, it is there on board. See here, what we are writing now, number of electron. These numbers are equal now. So which value you will write here? Okay, so with 9, which is the element atomic species? Fluorine. ये तो आपको आंसर मिल गया है ना? Then next one. Atomic number 16, mass number 32. So number of neutrons, this formula, right? 16. Then proton 16, electrons 16, element sulfur. Next one. Mass is 24, proton is 12, so electron will be 12. Okay, then atomic number. आप लोगों को उल्टा सुल्टा कुछ यहाँ से वहाँ पे अच्छा atomic number हाँ then number of neutrons 12 then element magnesium, it is magnesium, we have done in that table actually. Then next mass number 2, number of proton 1, so number of electron 1, atomic number 1, then number of neutron 2 minus 1 1, and element it is isotope of hydrogen, right? Isotope of hydrogen, isotope, these two parts we have to complete. बराबर ना? Then next one. Next. Mass number 1, number of neutrons 0, number of protons 0, number of electrons 0. Okay, now see, number of proton is 1, number of electron is 0. Here, what is the atomic number? 1. Okay. Then element, it is again isotope of hydrogen. Isotope of hydrogen. Okay, once you complete this part, question worksheet, question number 9. If Z is equal to 3, what would be the valency of element? Also, name the element. Very easy, we have already completed. चलो करो फटाफट. क्या हो गया? क्वेश्चन चाहिए? You want question? करो जितने. If done ना. If z is equal to 3, what would be the valency of element? Question mark. Also name the element. Element we have already done this. We have done elements from 1 to 20. What would be the valency? So write down valency. Valency polar, you write down electronic configuration, then you will easily get the valence. So valency is what? And element P3. अगर मैं स्टार्ट करूँ नेक्स्ट पार्ट तो आप कंप्यूटर को नेक्स्ट पार्ट write down answers for this thing multiple choice question based on start writing answer चलो writing next average atomic mass isotope and isotopes. This is a really actual examples we will see this. Read those sentences properly. First one, electronic configurations are given. Okay, and you have to identify the correct electronic configuration for Mg. What is atomic number of Mg? 12. So what will be electronic configuration? 2, 8, and okay, it is option number 8. Second one, second statement क्या है? That is I is a positive given with proposed by three models we have, three atomic model we have done. J.J. Thomson, Rutherford, and Bohr. Okay, so out of these three, in which one it was clearly given that positive mass, okay, large sphere of positive charge and negatively charged electrons are inflated. J.J. Thomson. What's another name for that model? Plum pudding, watermelon model, plum pudding model. बराबर है ना? Okay, then next one. Atomic nucleus was discovered by atomic nucleus, yes. The first discovered nucleus. And based on the drawback, the next theory given by Bohr's. Okay, in which he gave the concept of shell. Where electron revolve in that particular shell for which energies are given. Next one. Two more answer given. Next one. The first model proposed that options. Options. Rutherford model proposed nucleus. बराबर है ना? और क्या है ऑप्शन पे? Electrons are negative, protons are positive, pairs are against. But they are divided along the nucleus in a particular orbit. Sector particles. Specific correct answer you are saying A. Okay. Electrons are revolving, बराबर. Electrons are revolving. और shell वाला concept like this. चलो next. We're going to go to that. Read the atoms are stable and vascular. Atoms are stable and
less reactive.
atoms are less reactive.
Atoms are stable and less reactive.
Okay, options.
Alpha particles are positive, beta particles are negative.
Rutherford model, yeah. I hope next class bring your book without forgetting. Try to find out the answer. चलो हो गया ना, you have another class ना, कौन सा मैथ्स